I will show you how to close your party in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 in just a few seconds. If this is helpful, please don't forget you can subscribe and like this video. So all you need to do is open Call of Duty and then press the right joystick, R3. You can see it's at the top right of the screen. It's the last option. So the control might change depending on the console you're playing on. So just press that button to open the social menu and then go right here to the party settings. And here you will see the different privacy settings you can choose. So by default, you might have your party open and you can close it right here, or you can set it as invite only, friends only, and friends that are connected to chat channels. So that's it. If you want to completely close it, you need to press right here and go back. And as you can see, the party is now closed. And if you want to open it again, just select the one at the top. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.